So we've assembled our Dr. Drill and Fill, which was super easy and fast. But something that caught my attention immediately was that the poor guy doesn't have any teeth. So the first thing we're gonna do is give him some. To do that, I'm just gonna take some of the white Play-doh. This has got to be the biggest Play-doh container I've ever seen. So we've got plenty of it. Like, that's the normal container on the right, and that's a white container on the left. So yeah, we've got plenty of white dough. So this is how we make a tooth. Just put it in there and press it down. So here we go, our first tooth is done. And we can go right ahead and put that in there. And we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16 teeth to finish off this set of teeth. So we've given our patient teeth, and the next thing we want to do is brush them so that they're all nice and clean. So that should be enough. But what's this? Our patient has a rotten tooth. Just pull that out there. There we go. So the black dough is sadly not contained in this set. I got that one from another, but I think it works really well. And here he has a black dot as well, so we'll have to drill a bit. There we go. And now I'll have to give the poor guy a filling. Just like a real dentist. So something else that's really fun, in the back here you can put in some red Play-doh. Just push it in the back. And if you open it up now, you can see that a tongue is coming out. I personally love this, it's super funny. So you should probably do this before you put in the teeth, obviously. Which is why I took out the teeth up there. So our patient already lost one teeth. But what is that? Our patient has another black spot. So we'll have to drill again. another filling. Obviously, otherwise the poor guy would have a big hole in his tooth. That wouldn't be pleasant. So there, our patient is all finished. Though after this he might need some braces.